Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now scroll down, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords at the bottom. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any app and choose Save in Autofill pop-up. Then your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do that, click on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations. You can pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one, like Netflix. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you are finished, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!